welcome to this tutorial video of styling a map in the Map Builder. This video will cover the basic steps of styling a map based on text and numbers. This is the next step in the Fundamentals series. If you haven't seen the tutorial about uploading your data and creating a map, I would highly recommend doing that first. So, without further ado, let's dive into the Map Builder. On the left side of the screen, we can find the different Map Builder areas. Let's navigate to our Map Builder area again. This is where we ended in the previous video, and this will be our workplace for this video again. We uploaded the data about the number of houses in Europe and North America and created this map. There is always a standard styling generated by the Map Builder. To create a meaningful map, we have added the possibility to style your map. Let's get started. When we open up our map, we can quickly see the layers of data that are in this map. In this case, we see only one. After clicking on the layer, the Edit Layer window pops up. This is where all the styling of the maps takes place. When we click on Edit Styling, the menu folds open and reveals different tabs. This video covers the first three tabs: Simple Styling, Range Styling, and Category Styling. Simple Styling gives you the opportunity to choose a single color for the areas in the lining. This will give all areas the same color. Simple as that. It also gives you the opportunity to play around with transparency or thickness of lines. The Range category lets you style a map based on values in your data. Based on the amount of buckets and the quantification, the system automatically creates a number of groups that are styled according to your liking. You want to style your map with a color intensity? No problem. You want to style it from green to red? Also possible. The final option of this video is the category option. This lets you style your map based on text values in your data. This is the ideal method to visualize different areas that fall under managers, for example. After selecting a column, the system will automatically detect the distinct values in your set. You can choose to keep the colors that the map builder assigned to them, or choose your own. For this map, we go back to the range option and style the map based on the amount of households in our set. This concludes this tutorial video about styling a map. In the next video, we will learn how to add some features to the map. Check out our other basic instruction videos about the map builder, uploading your data, creating a map, styling a map, and sharing them. Are you missing some content? Leave a comment below and we will include this in a future video. Subscribe to the channel to get notifications about future instruction videos, and I will spot you in the next tutorial video. Cheers!